Look at this beautiful quilt block. This is a double windmill quilt pattern, and I absolutely love it. It is so beautiful. I'm going to show you how to make it. First, this one I made for the camera is very large. The finished size is 16 inches square. You don't need to go that big. I mean, I made these HSTs from 10-inch pre-cuts. I wouldn't advise doing that. But I made some other ones. I did these smaller. The half square triangles you need from this, you're going to need, let me pull this back into view again. Look at this pattern. You need to choose 2 fabrics, one dark, one lighter, and then the white for the background. So you're just using 3 kinds of fabric, okay? I chose some of my leftover Benartex fat quarters, and I chose a dark right here and a light, and then we'll match them together. These half square triangles are 3.5 inches square. I started with a 7-inch square and I cut into, 8 HSTs, and you know how to do that. If not, look back on our old videos on how to cut 8 half square triangles at a time. So the half square triangles you need for this project, you need to match 4 of the lighter colors with white. You need to match 8 of the darker colors with white. And then you only need 4 of the 2 printed colors together. So it's not it's not a lot of stuff, but it makes a beautiful design. I want to lay this out for you quickly. You start with the center and kind of turn these lighter ones in each round. So it looks like they're coming out from the center. That's right. Then I take my light ones and I match them to the light sides. They kind of look like claws coming out is what I picture that as. Now this is the part where my vision goes like, what? Take your dark ones, and I'm looking at this as I go because sometimes I make a mistake on this, and that's all right. Measure these out here, like that, and I'm almost through. This, my friends, is the double windmill design. It's really cool. So what do you do when you have all these half square triangles and you got to sew them together? Well, we sew them together in rows, okay? This is row number 1, this is row number 2, and etc. It's easier for me to just show you because I already have the rows done for you, okay? So let's get rid of those. These are the rows. Row 1, row 2, row 3, and row 4, all right? Then we sew our rows together, and we do that 2 at a time. So for this one, I flip it right sides together. I'm going to stitch a 1/4 inch seam allowance here and open it up. For these 2, same thing. I'm going to go like this and open that up, right? That, my friends, looks like this. Yes, it's different fabric. I started to run out of the other, so I'm like, oh, I'll choose another pretty fabric. These are beautiful too. So you see we have 2 sets now of 2 rows. The last step is simply to take these 2 rows, fold them again right sides together, stitch down the center, and we have got it. And when you do it using 3.5 inch HSTs, you're going to end up with a 12.5 inch quilt block. So that's all there is for that. Here is the finished product. Only using these small ones, it'll be a little smaller. I prefer the little smaller. This just is a little too big for me. But I hope you love it. I absolutely love it. It's easy for beginners too, so give this one a try, and happy sewing.